very good evening. Welcome back to Vidachi. A very rainy day with a beautiful saree collection. So hope you will love the live session today. So అన్నీ కూడా మనకి ఈ రోజు మంచి పట్టు శారీ కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి which are like bridal wear and wedding type of wears అన్నమాట. Very pretty and new collections today and everything is at affordable cost. Very beautiful and pretty. I hope you will love the live session. Do not skip the live and watch the live completely. These are the Vidachi special collection of sarees, and if you like the saree, please to take the screenshot and message to this number. You can take the screenshot of this such that you can block your favorite saree immediately. The number is 7396382067, and you can also see the shipping charges as well. We are shipping these sarees worldwide, and you can even come down and visit our store, which is Vidachi Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. And I have the beautiful two mannequins behind me. I'll be explaining that. This is one of the bright color saree. This is a magenta pink with beautiful green color border contrast. Such a prettiest one, and the body of the saree is having tiny butties, and the border is with antique designs with peacocks, florals and checks. Very beautiful. And this saree is priced at 7,999. You can take the screenshot. And this is one more lovely color. This is radium green with blue color border, which has the silver weave in the border. So you can also see the mango designs with peacocks inside and florals as well. And the body of the saree is having tiny butties. Very wonderful collection. And name veskunadi one of the beautiful lightweight saree. You can see orange with blue combination, and the border is having the floral jal, and the body is having the tiny butties. Such a beautiful collection, and this saree is priced at 6,999. To order that, please to take the screenshot and message to our team. So we'll move on to the first collection. This is one of my favorite color, dark pink. It's a magenta pink. Such a beautiful shade. You can see body of the saree is having the beautiful motifs running all over, very close and close pattern, and the border is with silver weave. You can see the florals, boxes and lines, very beautiful designed. It's a curry border running on either sides. Such a beautiful saree. To order this saree, please to take the screenshot and message to our team. This is the pallu, a very grand looking pallu with brocade designs. You can see how grand it is, with full of zari work, which is with golden weave. And we have also got a blouse, which is a contrast one. So this is how we can team up. Very beautiful. So we have got the plain blouse with a border, so we can go with the magam works if you like. Such a beautiful saree, and this saree is priced at 7,649. So as I said, everything is at affordable cost. These are like the beautiful traditional pattu sarees today. The new collections from Vidachi. This is light lemon yellow shade, and the border is pink color. So border has the copper zari work with peacocks, mangoes and beautiful florals and checks. Such a beautiful border with a golden weave, and the body of the saree is having self-embossed pattern, looking very lovely. And this is the pallu. So the pallu has the rich designs, which is the brocade designs, looking very elegant. And for this we have got the blouse, a traditional blouse, which is a contrast. And this is how we can team up, looking very lovely. And this saree is priced at 7,649. This is one more lovely color. This is magenta pink. Same name veskunna saree. So mine is orange and this is pink. That's the difference. And you can even see the floral jal with a golden zari border, which is blue color. And the body of the saree is having pink color butties, looking very lovely. And this is the pallu, which is looking very grand, and the material is very soft, such that you can wear it for a longer day. And here is the blouse with self-embossed pattern and a beautiful border. So we can team up like this. We can go with half sleeves, and this saree is priced at 5,399. This is one more lovely color, one of the bright color, violet with pink color combination. So you can see the body of the saree is having tiny butties golden color booties which is like brocade design, and the border is having the florals, mangoes and designs which is very beautiful. Two khadi zari borders running on either sides but with different sizes. You can observe that. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that you can block your favorite sari. And this is the pallu, very grand looking pallu with brocade designs and with a golden weave. And we have got a blouse which is pink in color, the contrast with a thin border. We can go with the bell sleeves, and this is a pair up. And this sari is priced at 6549. This is one more bright color. This color suits for everyone and this goes for all the occasions, traditional occasions. This is bright red with orange mix shade lo kanipistundi manaki saree, and the body is completely comes under the diamond checks which is very beautiful, and the beautiful booties running all over the saree, and the border is a little bigger which is 9-inch border, and it has the plain khadi border and the mangoes and peacocks on it. Such a beautiful border, and the other side it's a very thin border, so elegant. And this is the pallu with brocade designs and patterns, looking very elegant. And for this we have got a blouse which is a contrast with a bigger border, such that we can pair it up like this. Even if you want, we can go with the Makam works. And this saree is priced at 7,999. This is one of the attractive color. This has to be in your wardrobe. Anta beautiful color combination. So this is green with pink. So lovely, and the border మీరు చూసినట్లయితే చాలా మంచి design అండి, which is an antique design, and you can even see the design at the center of the border, looking very elegant. And the body of the saree is having mangoes and florals. Such a lovely color combination. This is the pallu. Pallu is bright and elegant. You can see the florals on it. It's brocade pattern. And the blouse. So the blouse is also very beautiful andi, chala chakkaga undi, pedda border vastundi. So we can just stitch it till the elbows, and you can go with some stoneworks or something. And this saree is priced at 7,999. This is one of the light color combination which comes under the pastel group. So the body of the saree is light color only, but the border is little bright in color. So you can see the border has such a beautiful antique design, looking very beautiful and colorful too, which has the mangoes and florals and checks, very pretty. And the body of the saree is having golden zari booties running on either sides. And this is the pallu with self embossed pattern and with brocade designs, looking very elegant. And for this we have got the blouse which is a contrast color, pink color with a thin border. So we can pair up like this, and we can go with the bell sleeves. And this saree is priced at 7,399. This is one of the simple and elegant saree andi, chala chakkaga undi saree kuda. It's very beautiful with self embossed pattern running all over the body of the saree. And border vachesariki manaki silver weave with a green color piping. So you can see at the center, you can see the floral designs and the beautiful work on it. Chala lightweight saree. You can wear it for a longer day. Anta lightweight in the saree. You can just take a screenshot and message to our team to order. This is the pallu. You can see the bigger patterns on the pallu. Manam ila single ga kuda veskoni flaunt chesukochu. Anta beautiful pallu. And for this we have got a contrast blouse which is green color and with a silver zari border, and this is the pair up. Very beautiful, isn't it? And this saree is priced at 7,649. And yes, this is one of my favorite color, dark blue. I hope everyone's favorite color too. Blue and pink always goes in hand. And the body of the saree is having beautiful florals running all over, looking very lovely. And the border is full of traditional border only, little bigger than the upper one. You can see the peacocks, florals and checks and lines. Such a beautiful zari border, golden zari border only. This is the pallu. You can see the pallu has some beautiful designs running all over the pallu with golden weave, looking very elegant, and it's a brocade pattern. And we have got a blouse, so blouse with self embossed pattern and a bigger border, such that we can stitch it till half the elbows or above the elbows, and we can go with some stoneworks or something. And the price is 5,999. These are at the best weavers price, Andy. With our 3 special collections, we are shipping these sarees worldwide too, so you can order from wherever you are. And we have some color options in this kind of pattern saree, so you can just contact to our team for that. This is green with pink color border with copper weave. So this is a copper zari border which has a design at the center, and the body of the saree is having beautiful self embossed pattern which is in golden color. Very lovely saree. And this is the pallu. So the pallu has a beautiful brocade pattern running all over with golden zari. And for this we have got a contrast blouse with the traditional border. We can team up like this, and we can go with the Magam works as well. And this saree is priced at 7,649. This is one more lovely color. This is pink color saree. It's a magenta pink with green color border. Such a beautiful color saree combination. It suits for all the age groups, and the body of the saree is having golden color butties, and the border is with traditional antique designs. And this is the pallu, very grand with brocade designs. The green color contrast is a highlight. And for this we have got a blouse with a beautiful designed same as the border of the saree, and this is how we can team up. Looking very lovely. You can take the screenshot for orders. And this saree is priced at 6,499. This is one of my favorite color andi. Chala manchi traditional color which goes with all kind of occasions for the weddings or for the temple, puja, vratalu. Annitiki saree baguntundi. Such a beautiful traditional color, I said. And the body of the saree is having Rudraksh motifs and peacock motifs, which is light golden in color. And you can see the border. So border is having the traditional antique designs running all over the border, and this border is little bigger when compared to the upper one. Such a lovely color, parrot green with pink. This is the pallu. So pallu also has some beautiful designed patterns with brocade design, which is a contrast, perfect contrast to the monkey green with pink. And we have got a blouse. So blouse with self embossed pattern and a beautiful border. We can team up like this. We can go with the bell sleeves, and this saree is priced at 4,999. These are at the affordable cost. I said almost all the sarees are like below 8,000 today. Hope you love all these collections, and you can just order from wherever you are. And this is dark blue with orange color border. Two bright colors, Andy. And this saree has beautiful mango designs running all over the body, and the border with peacocks and florals and checks and lines. Very beautiful border, looking very lovely. And the color combination is also beautiful because both are bright colors, right? So it suits for all the age groups. And this is the pallu with the brocade pattern with a golden weave. And for this we have got a blouse. So this is a blouse andi, chala beautiful ga undi with a bigger border. We can stitch it till the elbows and go with the puff sleeves, chala baguntundi. And this saree is priced at 8,199. This is one of the beautiful color again. This is magenta pink. The body of the saree comes with magenta pink, and the border piping has a green color. So you can also observe that this saree has two zari works. So body of the saree mottam kuda manaki self embossed pattern with a golden weave, and the border comes with a silver weave anamata. Chala beautiful ga undi saree, and it's very lightweight too, such that you can carry it for a whole day. This is the pallu. So pallu is also having some cross designs, diamond designs, very beautiful with beautiful contrast. And the blouse comes with a silver zari based border, and this is how we can team up. Looking very lovely. And this saree is priced at 7,649. This is one more bright color. Manchi traditional color andi. This is a golden yellow color which attracts everyone. Such a beautiful color, and you can even see the bottom border, which is a traditional border running on lines. So it looks more elegant when we pleat it up, because the bigger borders are always the beautiful ones when we pleat it up. And the other side it's a thin border, and the body of the saree is having florals. Very beautiful color. This is the pallu. So pallu comes with a contrast pink color and florals and checks, which is with golden weave. Very lovely saree only. Don't miss this saree. Such a beautiful one. You can just take the screenshot and message to our team. And even the blouse border is so elegant, such that we can stitch it till the elbows. And this saree is priced at 7,999. This is one more traditional color which suits for all the occasions again. This is orange with blue color border. So border lo vachesariki manaki copper zari ostundi, and the body of the saree is having diamond checks and booties. Very lovely combination. We have some color options in this kind of saree. For that you can contact to our team. So beautiful saree. You can just take a screenshot for orders. For orders you can message on 73963820067. And this is the pallu. Very beautiful and grand looking. Manam single ga kuda leave cheskoni flaunt cheskochu. It comes with a brocade pattern, and this is the blouse. So the blouse comes with a thin border, so we can stitch it like my blouse. So that's how it works, and this is the team up. And this saree is priced at 7,649. This is one of the captivating color, attractive color combination, and the body of the saree is having tiny motifs running all over the saree without any spaces in between. Chala beautiful ga fill ayindi, and even the border comes with silver zari work and with beautiful designs at the border running on both the sides. The different combination you can see, and this is the pallu. Such a beautiful contrast pallu with the bigger designs on it, and you can also see the florals. And this is the blouse. So the blouse comes with a pink color, and this is how we can team up. And this saree is priced at 7,649. Wow, very beautiful only. Chala lightweight saree, and the texture is also good. And this saree has the diamond check pattern running all over the body of the saree, with tiny motifs inside, and the border is having green color with mangoes and florals at the end. Such a beautiful traditional color combination. Both are green with yellow, looking very lovely, isn't it? For orders you need to take the screenshot such that you can book your favorite saree. And this is the pallu. Very grand looking pallu with bigger pattern works with a golden zari. Such a beautiful pallu, chala grand looking vastundi. And the sarees are at the best weavers price today, I can say. And this is the team up. Very beautiful blouse. And the saree is priced at 7,999. So manki Varalakshmi Vratam kuda vastundi kadandi. So these sarees goes very well, which are very traditional. And this saree body has also the golden zari butties running all over the body, and the border is with silver weave. Such a lovely color combination. Both are golden with silver, is always the prettiest. And this is the pallu, grand looking pallu with brocade designs running throughout. And the blouse, you can see the blouse is also elegant, which is with silver weave border. And this is a pair up, looking very pretty. And this saree is priced at 7,649. We'll move on to the one more color. This is blue color with pink color border. Chala manchi combination andi. You can see the saree texture kuda very soft and smooth, very beautiful. And the body of the saree is having brocade patterns running all over the saree. And the border is with pink color, which is a khadi border running on either sides, with designs also at the border, which is with florals. You can see the pattern. This is the pallu, very grand looking pallu with tiny florals and motifs with a brocade pattern. And here is the blouse combination. So the blouse comes with self embossed pattern and a bigger border, so we can team up like this till the elbows. And this saree is priced at 5799. And yes, that's all for today from the collection of beautiful lightweight పట్టు sarees అండి. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. యూ కెన్ సీ ద లైవ్ అగైన్ వన్స్ వీ సేవ్ ఇట్. సో మీ ఫేవరెట్ శారీ మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి ఈ ఆర్డర్స్ నెంబర్కి మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు, విచ్ ఇస్ ద వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ 7396382067. వీఆర్ ఆల్సో షిప్పింగ్ ది sarees worldwide. And you can even visit our store, which is Vithatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 p.m. every day, so you can come at any time. And again, we'll be back within 15 minutes with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, please stay tuned.